coming here right now is that it's been raining for hours and hours and hours, and I want to see if there's a level of flooding that is important to know about. I don't know what I can find out. I don't really have any sort of tools or measurements, and again, because the place is so woodsy, I do see lots of pots of water right here. Over there, I see the driveways are full of water. So there's lots of water. Here I see a little river dam. Not a little river dam, but you know, a stream of water. So I am going to look and see how it is, how it's compiling. Straight up pure swampland. Because as much as you want to believe people would be honest and tell you whatever, the truth of the matter is that's exactly what they'll do. Tell you whatever. This house has a lot more cars in it than it does. And these guys are junky next door. That's one of my concerns already. I just want to see if I can see anything that's a telltale for anything. Now, you know I'm not going up in them woods. For real though. Let's see what I can see. I want to make sure that this shit is not straight. I guess now you wouldn't be able to tell because the ground would absorb everything way more. This doesn't feel too wet right here. It does right here. Oh my god, what is those skeletons? Is that a skeleton? Or fish bones? I don't know what the hell this is. See, look how deep we got. Where? Anyway, so yeah, I drove over here in the water, in the rain, to see if there were any major issues with water. I'm not seeing anything that's throwing any alarms to me. Okay, so I guess I'm okay. All right.